Some of my oil cans. Let's see, today is Saturday, May the 8th, 2021. I figured temperature's a little warmer, and it was about to do one of those videos I like to call My Messy House. Starting off with a few oil cans here. We're gonna just kind of pan it over real slow to some old Singer 221 sewing machines. And to me it seems like we're out of focus. And some 221 sewing machine cases from an exciting trip I recently made all the way from Michigan to Florida and back. And I tell you, that was one exciting trip. Up and around and over the hills we go. The deal included all these sewing machines plus a few I already sold, and we have some accessories here as well. And we'll move over to my messy living room, where we have some busted up 221 cases. These may have a bottom missing, or perhaps just have one hinge. Here we're collecting some dumpling bags in preparation in the Fred Sanford's Fun Fall Fundraiser. And it will indeed be fun. With 3 Singer 301 completely serviced sewing machines as part of the treasures, as well as a red Singer 221. She is beautiful. She'll be in one of the red bags, or not the actual machine, but something that may represent the machine. Well, that will represent. And that is only in the red bag. With a bronze sponsorship, you will get 1 red bag. With a silver sponsorship, you'll get 2. And with a gold, you'll get 3. And I'll go by my messy kitchen. Here's the stairs. We'll take a quick peek through the messy parts room. And what a mess we have, indeed. Low shank, non-Singer brand feet. $6. Let's slash that right now and make it 2 for $7. Say Bob sent you. Alright, so what do we have here? I'll kind of pan slow here. We have low shank feet. We have top shank feet. We have more top shank feet. I think we missed a section here, but we have some high shank over there. I think we have some slant shank. We have some lights, spool pins, shuttle carriers, bag pulls of them, in a 2016 adventure I made. And when the guy said he had 3 boxes, I didn't know you wouldn't be able to see the bottom of those boxes. And was I surprised. And that's where I got a lot of these shuttle carriers and a lot of other parts. We have round face plates. What else we have? Shearing plates, pressure bars, S-hooks, ratchet bits, side plates, the scissor cutting gauge, side face plates, motor pulleys, Oh yeah, and needle threaders, an empty bag, another empty bag, knobs, just knobs, invisible zipper, and I found them. A motor pulley, motor brushes. Oh, I do own some motor brushes. Well, what do you know? Hooks, round face plates, hinges, and it keeps going. More hinges. All right. We have a couple of guitars. Like I said, starting to get real messy here. Wow. A couple of button holders kind of mixed up all together. Whoa. This is another incoming. Some special feet. Ooh, what's that? Some more here. It could be doubles again. They need to get combined with those. So like there's more knobs, some cams, some belts. Need to be organized. Oh yeah, that's right. Tension assembly parts. Oh, one day I'll clean this room up. Maybe one day I'll make a video called My Clean House. What do you think of that? Will it ever happen where this house is clean? So I got a couple of cams. Got your Kenmore cams. Some unknown cams. That's Kenmore too. I don't know what those are for. Are those crazy things? Couple of parts there. Got me a little hand crank. Couple extra motors over here. A bunch of shelves that need some cleaning. Soon to be on display, I'm hoping. Alright, so let's get out of here. Well, there's parts everywhere. We got more parts in the middle. We come over here, we got... Oh. Hello. Those are the t-shirt plates I was looking for the other day. Oh, here's a good one. Slightly used. Try my vapor rust on that. Messy, messy, messy. Don't look at that part. Alright. 38 steps. Here we go. Just kidding. There's only 22. I was trying to fool you all. That's enough. Trust me. Oh. Oh. Let me see if I can hit some lights. This is normally where my messy video starts, is down here. In previous years, we're on the top of the stairs. I figured I'd do it a little different since there's machines everywhere. A couple new incomings. What do we got? A 66 and a... Was this a 306, right? And this one's sweet. This is going to go right next door. Of course, it's missing a little screw. All right, and these just came in from a nice little trip to Kentucky. My Kentucky trip. Du, 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 du. Right there. And let's see if I can put a foot right there. And there's a foot spot right there. There's some cool ones. There's a foot spot right here. Look, someone painted a white. Yes, there's foot pedals, but here, you guys ready for the special ones? This was 2 different stops in Kentucky. One was all the ones that are on the ground, and the other stop was these over here. Take a good look. There's some oldies. Make it a little closer. I haven't taken a good look at any of them yet. I have to figure out a way to hold that up better. Okay, see if I can get out of here. And continue the video before it gets too long. Oh, a couple of featherweight tables. I think there's a total of 5. The featherweight card tables, I believe they're called. Here's machines that have been sitting here quite a while. Touchtronics on top. Bunch of mixed singers. These are all singers on the top. And these are probably, oh, there's Harley's bed. I was looking for that. Get that upstairs. And here's some more incomings. Looks like a touch and sew. Whole new home. Here is the part side, and I got to look at this case real quick. Interesting. Did not even know there was a cord and a foot pedal in there. Just pan around slowly. Oh yeah, we got some more incoming, that's right. The mystery boxes, my favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, I know that's a Singer, probably a 337. That's probably a Kenmore for sure. There's another Kenmore just by the case. I don't know. Could be anything. And there's... let's do the Harley view. The Harley view. I wish it would actually be way down here. But we're going to go up a little higher. So there is machines underneath too. Montgomery Wards. On the left we have some Kenmore, some old whites, some new homes. And we go back on top here. Very, very messy. This is the working side. Working side here. Many of these machines have been here sitting for years and years. Very stiff. Quit playing around. What I tell you about you guys. There you go. Man, you must have been a wild party last night. Now, for the fun begins in the darkness. To find the light switch, which does not have a two-way switch in this building at the moment. So here we go, walking towards the front. And we will point this way, then turn on the lights. Yes, I remember my first 500 machines, and I thought that was a lot. Silly, silly me. All these tables that the sewing machines are sitting on contain sewing machines. And there may be sewing machines stuffed under these sewing machines. Tables that contain sewing machines. Yepers. I remember my first 500. I thought I was sewing machine rich back then. How wrong I was. Hello, Rocketeer. Hello, my fair lady. Hello, Brown 306 up there. And I can't see you that far, but I think 99 in the corner. Oh. Hello, Bentwood cases. All right, let's go this way. Oh, talking about cases. Few spares there. Beautiful. T-shirts soon to come. I swear this room keeps getting smaller. What are you? Just a case? Boy, you are beat up. Ah, the plastic got off a little bit. I need to put new plastic up. Interesting. Hello, 1200. And the original table. Hello, shoemaker. With a picture of the guy. Hold on. Way back in the day, making his shoes on this same exact machine. There you have it. There's a number there that matches this machine. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed another exciting My Messy House video. Have a great day, everyone.